All right, I don't know, 6:50, whatever it is. Just said 13th day of February, 2025. Some of these are a waste of good suffering. These are like a lot of money, 120 grand. I don't think so. It's 172, but after they want 120 right now for it. I just think it's a. I get these, but I like the older ones. I know that Carolyn RV, she's a YouTuber, has one of these, but I get it. You know, she's got an older one, but I still like. You saw videos back, the smaller ones. Like I think she'd be better off with, and even the Huss has got her four wheel she drives. I would have those ones that the Stream company makes. You can buy them, the silver ones, the all wheel drive ones. If I'm going to drive around one, I'm going to use that to pull something. But I get these things where they call them Class Bs, but this isn't bad. There's room to sleep here. This has actually got room in it. They don't need that. I guess you could, but you always have a problem with them too as well. But whatever, that's, I guess, you know, you really can't park them anywhere. Can't go into town. That's why you pull your house, drive your car, and then you can pull into town. So, in my mind, Sunseeker. Over here, 309. And I just can't hide it. This isn't bad. It's a bit, again, a little too much. I don't know why they don't have the bed back here. If I bought this tomorrow, it'd be all bed. I just, again, let's see how the head looks. Not a lot of room. Again, I could have designed this a hell of a lot better than it is. Oh, wait a minute. I think I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Sorry. Bed's back here. I apologize. It's over at my storage area. My fault. So here's the bed. Learn to think before you speak, butthead. But not bad. Still, but I just think, I don't know, it's a little much, but I'd be my storage area. If I bought this storage area, but I'd make this a little bigger. I don't know, whatever. So I was wrong. I made a poor choice. I want to. Oh, let me get these Freedom Trailers, bigger ones now. This one's is the big suckers now. Holy balls, such a basketballs. 152,000 usual. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. These are some big dogs. Made by Thor. Thor's supposed to be real good. What do you guys think, huh? Yeah, I'm the kind of person I pull my house and drive my car.
Okay. It's magneted to this thing.
Nice. So yeah, some nice buckets in there.
No.
How big is the room? Pretty big. All right.
That length of the sea, you still get that nice.
These are pretty. I don't know if it's an all-wheel drive when they're not. Look at this one. Let's look at this one real quick. Campsite reserve. You got the grill out here. Usually 50 grand. They want 34 for it. Again, I'm paying cash. Driving off the lot. I'm not financing something that's going to sit there and depreciate every mile I go. Not bad. Not bad. Now I'm a single guy. That's not too bad. Just have a little more storage. And over here, like over there would be a storage area for my bike and fishing rod, whatever else. But have the TV, you can sit down right here. Tell you what, you guys, yahoo, man, I can party like a rock star, smoke a lot of geef, man, yahoo. Because I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Sawinski, yahoo. Hey, man, smoke some geef, man. Here we go. Another Delta Blues. It's not bad. It's for like you're by yourself, I guess. It's 102,000 now. I'm not gonna. I don't know. I just don't. I'm not gonna do something like this. A getaway van. I can buy an old shuttle from an airport or somebody else from a hotel and make my own, make it simple. You do a heck of a lot better than that.
We're living out on the west coast in Oregon. And a lot of camping and a lot of RV.
This one is 121,000. Jesus. I'm sorry, but no, not worth it. You can buy a shuttle. This one's not bad. This is 29 grand. What do you think?
Actually, we like this one.
Is it approved?
It is approved, yeah.
All right, I'll go take a look. Looks like for that price, not bad. It's stealing. I'm the kind of person I buy outright. I'm not going to finance something that depreciates every month. I'm paying cash and see you later. Remember, if you buy one, make sure you get it inspected. I'm just telling you.
Oh, yeah.
Don't just tell me all the time.
My sister had that problem.
Yep.
Axles weren't attached.
Yep. I hear you. Yeah, it is nice. Yeah, nice big head right here. Again, storage area for me. Nice. Axles weren't attached? Oh my God. That's hilarious. Yeah, I guess the last videos. I'll be shocked if I don't get a sharing the thing. I guarantee it. I'll be shocked. I'll be absolutely shocked. It's a shame, but yeah, it's amazing what kind of money you want to spend, and you got some bigger ones over here. So, you got all this stuff right over here. Golf carts. Let's go over here. Smaller ones over here. No, but 319. Coleman. Man, I am tonight. Yeah, it's pretty loud music. Shame. I'm trying to sell something. I don't want music that loud. Pretty big head. Pretty nice, but it all depends what you're going to spend your money on. What triggers you. Yeah, those Class B ones are too much, man. Cole makes some nice stuff. I know Eddie Bauer made them. Coleman one, 269. This one's 27 grand right now. Land of the Delta. Not bad. Middle of the porn. Not bad. Little sink. You got room to take a crap. You got a nice bed there. Storage. Not bad. Easy to pull. Not too bad of a price. These are the best ones. You pull the 4-wheel drive. Purposed in an RV park. You can go fishing, whatever you want to do. Go biking, whatever you want to do. That's all you gotta do. Oh, Jesus. Eddie Bauer, huh? Huh. Usually 25, 16 grand. Get in here. Oh, nice bed. Bunk bed for the kids, but I'm taking that out. I buy it. Storage for all my stuff. Nice big head in here, not bad. Got plenty of room to shower. Alright, black water. Nice. Yeah, this is a nice one. This is nice. Not bad at all. Like the color. I sit right there. TV is probably somewhere. If I put it somewhere. Nice. Not bad. The green's kind of ugly, but it's not a big deal, I guess. For a homeboy like me, storage area in the corner there. Probably put the TV somewhere. I don't know where you put it. Have it up here. Have it come down, I guess. Something like that. Walk this way. Oh, this way. Walk this way. This is another Eddie Bauer one. There's a lot of mine I'm going kind of walking by. I don't need all. I mean, you gotta get the idea. So I gotta go this way. Yeah, not bad. Yeah. Hell yeah. Nice big bed. Not bad at all. That's a nice big shower. It's that green is just not a deal maker. TV's up in there, so anyways. Alright. Not bad. It's nice. Nice big bed. Oh. This one is. You can see it goes on and on and on. $389. This is 40 grand. It's ugly ass green. I don't know. I don't understand that green. But it must be the color of the year, I guess. They don't call that forest green. Nice. Remember they fear mongering during COVID that they weren't making fast enough baloney. I was driving during that COVID. They were all over the place, bold-faced liars. But RVers are a bunch of idiots. Oh, Jesus. All right. Another grill right there, and you got a fridge. This one must have sold another one. Eddie Bauer, that must be when they sell them. 31 grand. This one's going for 32. So they must be selling. That's what that cheer for is. Make sure you get it looked at before you take it anywhere, you guys. The pukey green again. So not bad. I get it. So if those are big beds for the kids. Those are nice. That's actually nice, but that'd be if I'm to buy it, I'm gonna put a storage area in there. But I get it, bigger bed for the kids. That one is. But anyways, we'll move on to something more substantial, shall we? At the Big RV Show Ultimate.